Hi everyone, I'm Catalina Quintero from UNDP Colombia. Today I want to tell you about this joint program that we're implementing with FAO and UNDP. One of the main things we're doing is doing community engagement in the local level with the action laboratories, community action laboratories that we are right now implemented. We are promoting women leadership. We are designing and implementing the action with the people, putting the people in the heart of the climate action, and also we are giving technical assistance with our agencies and with the support of the local universities. So creating these spaces is allowing the sustainability of the actions that we're promoting in Colombia. Thank you.